We're now approaching Milton Keynes Central.
When leaving us here, make sure you have all your luggage and belongings with you. And please mind the step down to the platform.
Another day, another trip. Hello, Sanibonani, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I'm so excited, guys. It's been such a wonderful week here at YouTube, at the Women of YouTube and YouTube Black, because this is my second event of the week. I'm on my way. I'm off to Birmingham for another YouTube event. When was that? 2 days ago, I went to see Burna Boy, thanks to YouTube. It's nice, guys, to be a YouTuber. If you're still not a YouTuber, I don't know what you're waiting for, because YouTube really, really does take care of us. So let's wait.
Welcome on board this Avanti West Coast service to... If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Yeah, as I was saying, I am off to Birmingham, and I'm excited because I'm gonna see so many YouTubers. Some of them I only see them when we have these YouTube events. Okay, I'm on the train, so the thing is shaking. Let me see if I can just put that tripod up, and it will probably move less. Let's do it like that. Yeah, some of them I only ever see when we do these YouTube events, and some of them have really become very good friends of mine, so I'm looking forward to seeing them. I'm looking forward also to playing, because it's going to be a games night. Okay, I thought another announcement.
Good evening, so the informal customers, the onboard shop is soon be closing. The onboard shopping code C in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So if the only customers do wish to make any final purchases from the shop, please do make your way to the shop now. Thank you.
Okay, they're just saying that the shop is closing. Yeah, so I'm excited. I've got my YouTube t-shirt bag, my canvas bag, and I'm wearing obviously Comedians Unplugged, because that's the only thing we are wearing these days. And I was tempted to wear the one with the photos, but I thought, let me behave myself and just wear this one. And also because at Birmingham, guys, Birmingham. And what else? I'm editing whilst I'm on the train. Let me show you. I am doing some editing, which is one of the reasons why I love traveling by train more than I love traveling by any other means of transport, because I get to do a lot, because it's a 2-hour journey, so it's so much better to edit the 2 hours going and edit the 2 hours coming back. It's much better. I feel like my time gets used up resourcefully. Yeah, so have you guys even subscribed to my channel? You know, this channel is growing so small. Please do subscribe. It's free to subscribe, mahala, and I've got so many more stories to share. And a lot of you ask me about train prices. Yeah, trains are quite expensive in England, but they are so convenient. I think I'll do a separate video to explain all the train prices for different places. But for me, it's the convenience more than anything. Usually takes less time than it would in a car. And also I get to do things. Like now I'm editing, I get to write, I get to prepare for my shows while I'm traveling, rather than the stress of traffic. And yeah, so that's why I love traveling by trains. And also they're very good for the environment, and I don't have to worry about where am I gonna park, and I can't drink because I have to drive, because I'm very responsible like that. So it has a lot of advantages, and it's good for the environment, guys. It's very good. There are too many cars in this world. There are just too many cars. So if you can either get a lift with a friend or just hop onto a train, and the public transport here is a lot more reliable and a lot more comfortable as well. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing a fellow content creator who's become a good friend of mine, Lanaya. And there's a South African girl. There is a South African girl that I'm looking forward to seeing. I saw her on the group chats. We have a WhatsApp group for YouTubers, and I was so excited to see that there's a South African girl. So I am looking forward to seeing her. And I think her name is Noma Kosi. Don't quote me on that one, but it's Noma something, and I'm so excited. It's always such a nice treat when you get, because I go to these things, I hardly ever see a South African. I see sometimes a Southern African, but not South African, a South And yeah, I'm excited. Going, it's gonna be bowling, and yeah. Let me show you guys the train. It's such a nice train. It's the Avanti West Coast train, and let me show you. I think you might appreciate seeing the train, so that next time you catch the same train. This is the first class. Should I get up and walk around the train? I don't think so. There are only 2 other people sitting here, and even their standard class is quite decent. It's quite good, and yeah, even there. Let me get up and walk for you and show you guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, a couple of snacks as well.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
West Coast service to Birmingham New Street.
Hello, sunny bonani, beautiful people. Welcome to Birmingham. We are in Birmingham today for a YouTube sports day. It's so nice to be part of YouTube. It's such a lovely family. They've brought us to Birmingham. I had to come out of the bowling place because there is so much noise and there is so much music playing. I don't know why, but YouTube does these events for us, which are good opportunities for us to vlog, but there's always copyright music playing in the background. So I've come out to say hi to you guys, and thank you for clicking to watch this video. I'm going to take you along, but it's going to be a lot of voiceover because I can't play the sound. Or because, like I've said, because of the copyright music that's playing in the background. But let me show you where we are. It's such a lovely place, lovely place. I don't know the name of the mall, but it's where BBC Birmingham is, and They've got some really, really nice shops, nice stores. I got lost a little bit and I was 2 minutes away from the venue, but the people I asked, they sent me the complete opposite direction, so I ended up wasting a lot of time. Plus I dropped my camera, I lost the screw, and I forgot to bring the card for my sound. So it's a lot has been happening today, but I'm here now. We're in Birmingham and I'm walking back inside, which means I'm gonna have to cut the sound because of, you know what, the music, the copyright music. I think someone's saying a speech. Let's go. Let's go.
At the YouTube creators, Instagram, and then obviously all the comedy as well, please. So that's at all the comedy as well. For better networking, what we've done is we've given you like these badges. If you want to know somebody's name. And then for the fun stuff, for the games, obviously you've seen that we have the bowling lanes. We also have like an arcade thing going on here. I wanted to talk about some of the very exciting things, at least when I came here I kind of screamed. We have a karaoke room. So for all of you singers, I know some of you from Manchester, I've heard those vocals, so I'm going to need to see you guys leave. Amazing. So all of the games are going to be available, you know,
catching up with other content creators is one of my favorite things about going to these YouTube events. The food didn't food. They did say the vegetarian option was really, really good though. But yeah. And you know, if it's not on the gram, it's a scam. So at some point, a girl's gotta stop and take some photos, have a photo shoot so that we can have memories of the day and memories of the event, and we have to post on Instagram, guys. You know, if it's not on the gram, it's a scam. Please subscribe to my friends' YouTube channels, guys, and check out their videos. And guys, there were so many games to play. I only played 10-pin bowling because that's a game I enjoy. But there were so many games. There was even a karaoke room. Some people did do karaoke. It was so much fun.
My name is Percy, and this is Taff. We go by the name of Wall of Entertainment. Those of you who don't know who we are, it's okay, because a lot of our content doesn't have our name on. So you might have heard of us or watched our shows. We made something called Shower of Story. We made something called Night on the Wall. We made something called Does the Shoe Fit? Tapped Out. Pick Cora. Yeah, a bunch of shows, man, a bunch of shows. But we're really, really proud of what we've done in the scene. We've been about, you know, pioneering, but also giving content creators the pedestal to see you lot's potential and just to see you lot do your thing and express yourself, basically. So that's what we're about at Wall of Entertainment. I'm just going to introduce and hand the mic over to my brother, Mr. T.
Hi guys, I'm Shaq. I hope everybody's having a great night tonight. Believe it or not, we actually have something called a games night tonight. And, you know, unfortunately for you guys, we get to host it. So it means that any minute rules might change, rules might not change, things might just happen. The prices, hey listen, the prices that might get lost in the post box, you know, there's all that stuff that might happen. But honestly, like, I hope you guys have a great, great, great night tonight. The main reason why we're here today, and the main reason why we're doing this, Manners and Jokes, and we auditioned to be the comedian of the year, is actually to bring comedians together. So don't be shy. If you see us, ask questions. And not shy, but I'll be alright. After like a couple questions, I'll be fine. And I'm sure all of you, or some of you are shy, so, but when I see you on YouTube, you're not. So I'm expecting to see some of that out today. So honestly, ask questions, speak, let's talk to each other, let's get to know each other. But
Today is power of collaboration. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for the people that I collabed with 11 years ago, who I met, you know, Javan and Dee on Man on the Wall, which is a YouTube series a long time ago. And then off the back of that, we did Youngers. Off the back of that, we did Wall of Comedy. Off the back of that, we did Wall of Entertainment. So as you can see, the collaboration is what has got us this far. And they say, there's a saying, right? If you want to go fast, go.
That is me. Being rubbish at 10-pin bowling. I don't know what was wrong with me. I was so bad, especially in the big. Well, I know what was wrong with me. I made a mistake. I had my nails done the day before I traveled to Birmingham. How do you get your nails done, long nails at that, when you are going to play 10-pin bowling? I was so scared that when I'm holding the ball, I'm going to come out with no nails. I was seriously thinking I might break my nails, and I was not in the mood for that type of pain, both physical pain and financial pain of having to pay for nails again. So I was not that good today. I was not my best self. Of course, I'm very good at 10-pin bowling. It's one of my favorite sports. But take this. If I have never taught you anything in your life, I am teaching you this right now. Never do your nails before you go and play 10-pin bowling. Yay! I did get better towards the end as I got more comfortable holding the ball with my long nails. Brand new nails. Yeah, I had so much fun, guys. Let me know in the comment section, do you play 10-pin bowling? Do you love it? Do you enjoy it? Would you invite me for a date or a lunch date where we will be playing 10-pin bowling as well? If you did that, we could just be best friends, you know. I love 10-pin bowling, and I'm glad that I picked up and started doing better, because I was truly rubbish in the beginning. That's Nomakaya, the South African I was telling you about earlier. She is such a vibe. She also has a YouTube channel. Please do check it out. And these are the scores. Look at me, guys. I was so bad. But I was still not the last. I was not the worst. As bad as I was still better than other people. And did I tell you that our team, Lane 7, won the overall games at Lane 7, Birmingham. Yay! And we each won a year's subscription to YouTube Premium. And some of the gifts are still gonna come on the post. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what they are going to send us. I was so impressed with the prices in Birmingham. Like, who sells you a steak for £17 and who sells you a cocktail for £6? I was also impressed by these umbrellas because you get to borrow them for free. And you know, in London, it can rain at any time without even a warning. So I was like, do people even bring these umbrellas back? And then, hey, they do, because you'd leave a deposit of £20 that you get back upon bringing the umbrella back. So you don't bring it back, you lose your £20. Do you still think people will not bring them? People bring them back. I saw so many of these bears around the city. I was like, what is this? Is there a festival I don't know about? What is happening with all these bears? Until I stopped at this one. And it suddenly made sense because they are Birmingham. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section, do you like 10-pin bowling? Are you considering opening a YouTube channel? If you did open a YouTube channel, what would it be about? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Mahala.